In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new feature we just added to Home Manage 2022. So if you have 2022, you can update using Help, check for updates. And so what this feature is it's related to the Amazon Barcode Lookup. And right now, before the feature was added, the Barcode Lookup would only look at Amazon.com. Now we've changed it so under Preferences, you've got the option, for example, if you're in Canada or the UK or France or Japan, you can now change the location that we search when doing the Barcode Lookup. And obviously, if you're in Canada, for example, you don't want to be looking at items in the United States because they're too very expensive to ship to Canada. So anyways, so all you got to do is just select from the drop down Amazon.ca. So I have Amazon Canada selected as the preference for the Amazon domain, and I'm going to now scan I just scanned some Brother barcode labels, and you can see here it's been found. Click OK, and now you can see that this item has been listed with images of the barcode labels as well, description, etc. And another interesting fact is that now, previously we would default to Amazon.com for the product listing, but now it will go to Amazon.ca. So when I click on the attachment there, it goes to Amazon.ca, and if you're in Canada, you can buy them and have them shipped rather quickly. So another item I want to talk about is we have a couple customers a bit confused by the total cost if you have a quantity of more than one. So the total cost here, in this case it's $135.69. That is the total cost for all three of these items. It's not the total cost for each item. We had some customers who were wondering why the total cost is not multiplied by the quantity, and it's because you could have paid different amounts for each item. For example, you could have paid, I don't know, $45 for one, $35 for the other. So instead of multiplying, we just take the total cost of all items, all three items in this case.